So there are 3 reasons why I make content for myself and my clients, and this is no fluff. There are 3 reasons. My third reason is the most important one in my opinion, and the most powerful one in my opinion, to make content. And so we're just gonna go right into it. My first reason is that when you create content for your small service business, you create brand awareness and you build your reputation. So either you create content for your business only, then you create this brand awareness, or if you create it with your face on it, then you also build a reputation, well, locally or globally, it does not matter. And the best part about it is that you do it for free. The only thing that costs you is time. But again, if you have some money that you made in your business, you can outsource that by hiring other people or hiring out an agencies that will help you to do that. Doing that, and it's a free way of getting your name out there and letting others know about your service. And if you're doing a good job creating a valuable content, then that will be another acquisition channel for the customers to come into your door and get your service. The second reason for creating free content is to test the ideas. Can you hear me? Test ideas for advertising. So if you run ads, if you're ever planning to run ads, creating free content, especially short form content on YouTube, Instagram or Facebook, will help you to test those ideas and see which ones bring enough traffic and enough views and maybe even shares. That's the biggest indicator. If people are sharing, it means the idea for that content that you just used is viral. And so you can use that piece of content or the idea of that content and then modify it a little bit to match the ad, and maybe add call to action and all that, and you can use that to run ads, because that idea is already proven by data, by people finding it, liking it, and sharing it with others. So that's a second reason why you can and you should start creating free content. And then the third one, this is my favorite one and I think the most powerful one for small service businesses, is that by creating free content, you nurture the leads that come into your pipeline. You nurture those potential clients that come in through, I don't know, ads, or maybe you do warm outreach, or maybe you do cold outreach. Like, it doesn't matter if you're doing any of those, or even referrals, just people referring. The content that you create, free content out there, will help nurture that audience. Well, in other words, it will help them to solidify their trust in you and to change their mind and to actually buy from you. Because nowadays people, when they see ads, for example, or even if you do a cold outreach and then they hear about your name, they'll go and Google it. They'll go and check you out on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, and all the platforms, and to see who are you, what you do, to see if you're legit and you're not a fraud. And so imagine if you have a free content there, and it's not just the content, but it's actually good, valuable content that solves the problems of your audience, the problems of your clients, and helps them to achieve whatever goal you are solving for them. You will hold their attention longer because they will watch your videos. If it's, for example, long YouTube videos, they'll watch them longer, which means you will create this image in their head and keep your business on top of their mind, so that when they decide to solve the problem that they have, they will contact you first and they will want to buy from you, because you provide a lot of free value to your prospects. And so, especially for small businesses, this is the most powerful way of nurturing your leads, to actually not just hear about you, but then you build this trust through video, especially through video, because they can see your face, they can hear your voice, they know that you're legit. Through the video, you will create trust with them, and that's how you will be able to sell them way easier. They will actually contact you rather you contact them. That will just, content will just boost your conversion rates, where when the people are gonna say yes, 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 I want to work with you, because they have a sense of familiarity with you. And people will do anything to feel more safe and secure in their decision. So those are 3 reasons why you should create free content. I know this video is a little short. So it's create brand awareness or build a reputation. Second is to actually test your advertising ideas, or that's like ideas that you can use for advertising, which has already been tested. And third one, to nurture your audience, your leads that come into your pipeline. Yes, who do not know me, my name is Merdan, and I am the founder of Berka Digital LLC. I help small service businesses to nurture and convert more leads that come in through content marketing, especially video marketing on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So if you ever wanted to work with me, just leave the comment below or contact me in my about page. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. I hope this changed your mind to making a free content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.